Good morning, America. I will be replacing these headlights here, both the brights and the dims. So here we have the dims on. That's how that looks. And that is how the brights look. And I got these Sylvania Silver Star Ultra. These ones are supposed to be brighter and better. So we will need the Sylvania Silver Star, or whatever brand, 9005 and 9006, and I will show you which ones go in which slot. And I would recommend a screwdriver as well for the pins so you can get the sockets out. So what you will need is, first of all, a screwdriver, just in case. The pins can sometimes be hard to get off of the sockets. Whatever brand, 9006 and 9005. And I would recommend latex gloves, so because you don't want the oil from your fingers getting onto the bulbs. And we'll just match the numbers, whichever one goes in which. It takes two bulbs. It's not like other cars that you just use one bulb. We have these pins here. These pins, all you need to do, pull them up like that, and then up like that. You see that kind of just popped out there? Just throw these off to the side for now. So to make it a little bit more simple, I'm going to do one pack at a time. So one on this side, one on this side, and then move on to the other pack, one on that side, one on this side. So same process over here. These ones may be a little bit harder to get out. Okay, forward. You just want to remember how they went. So back, forward, like that. Alright, just slide that bad boy out of here. Alright, so you just take this one. You just have to take this little tab here. If you run into the problem where you can't get it out, take this little tab here, take a screwdriver, and then just pry it up a little bit. Should just slide right out. Right in. There we go. Awesome. There we go. There's one. This is the 9005. So we'll just put that on the ground for now. And then here's our other one, 9005. So then you just like that. Just want to push this back down. There you go. Now it's locked in. Can't go anywhere. Now onto the next side. Alright, now we are on to the bright. So pretty much same process as last time. It's going to be a little bit harder to get to. And if you haven't messed with these for a while, it is probably going to be a little bit difficult. But there we go. There we go. Same process as before. Gotta lift this tab up here. Just pop out just like that. There we go. This one is the 9006. Just throw that on the floor or the ground. And here we have the 9006. Same process, putting it back in. So, and then twist it. Put this tab back down. Make sure it ain't going nowhere. And then reconnect your wires. So simple, easy. Same process on the other side. except for this one, because one of these is stock and one of these is aftermarket. So I'll show you the other side. Just gotta get this replaced here. Put that back in. Make sure it clicks. There we go. Put that back in. There we go. Give them another tug just to make sure they ain't going nowhere. We're good to go. Alright, I'm just going to slide those back in for now. I'm not going to replace them just in case if you get, let's say, a faulty bulb or something that, you know, you don't have to take apart the whole system again. So I already did the bulb on this side. It was just a simple, same process, twist, pull out, and then now, actually, it was this one that I did. Now we're going on to the 9006 since I have already done the 9005. Same process as before, but if you notice, these are just a little bit different. I believe this one's stock and that one is aftermarket, but you can still get it done either way. I don't know what in the world that was. Something just squealed, but like just like before, the center ones are a little bit harder to maneuver around. Like this one, it doesn't have any pins. You can just pull it out just like that. And honestly, it's easier. It all depends on preference. Some people prefer to pull the tabs out first before taking them out, taking out the bulbs, but it don't matter. Same thing. 9006, other bulb, 9006, and then we'll throw it in there and then connect it so it's a little bit easier. Boom, just like that. Twist, and then reconnect. There we go. Just like that. I'm just going to throw it back in the holder spot right here. And we're going to fire her up and see how it looks. Oh yeah, crucial step. Do not forget to put these clips back how they were. I almost forgot about that. I was about to go inside. I was like, oh shoot, gotta do that still. There we go. That was a little bit harder, but got it. 1 pin, 2 pin, red fin. 1 pin, 2 pin, red fin, blue pin, whatever. I don't care, but we'll check in later tonight and see how it is. That's the dims at night. Brights. If this video helped you out at all, please, please, please consider liking and subscribing, because I've been doing YouTube for over a decade. I've been trying to keep you satisfied, but you just won't subscribe. So now that you are leaving, this is all I can say. Please like and subscribe. Oh, please, I'm begging you. Lord, I don't know what I do except ask you to subscribe. Oh Lord, that last video you watched of mine,
you didn't like or subscribe, so please just consider subscribing to the Young Asian Gentleman.